I love Claude Code, but I hate waiting in front of the screen. Watch this. Tasks finished, go to work, girl. Okay. I've set up a hack. When Claude finishes a task, it screams at me, sending me a Telegram message using N8N. Let me show you how. C'est parti. Claude Code has a hook system that lets you run commands when specific events happen. For example, when you finish a task, when he asks a question, or when he's using a tool. This is the Claude Code documentation. And here we have the hook events. We want to do three things. We want to play a sound in our computer when he finishes a task. We want also to send a Telegram message when he finishes the task if we are away from the computer. And we also want to play a sound on the computer when he asks us questions. If we are on the computer doing other things, we want to have this alert to answer the question and continue with Claude Code. So for that, we're going to use these two hooks. So the stop hook, so he runs when Claude finishes responding, and we will use that to play a sound when he finishes a task on the computer and on Telegram. And we are also going to use the post tool use hook that runs after a tool called is complete. And so it will send an alert when you finish asking a question. First, I'm going to show you the very simple workflow on Telegram, and then two ways to set up the hooks. First, we can do it using the command line, or you can do it directly in the settings.json file from Claude. So this is the N8N workflow, very, very simple. We begin with a webhook trigger, and the webhook should be in post. We have named it Claude Telegram alert, and we connect it to a Telegram node, send text message. So we have created a bot with the bot father in Telegram and name it Telegram Claude screen. I have recorded in my credentials, and we also get the chat ID from Telegram. So then we copy the production URL from the webhook. So first, let's record the hook with the command line to send the Telegram message. So here I'm in VARP to make it really simple, and I type Claude/hooks. So now we choose the hook and we want the stop hook. Now he asks us as a new matcher, but for this we don't need a matcher, so it's a bit confusing. So we have to type escape and do it again. I don't know exactly why, but now it works and had a new hook. And now we have to type the command. So this is the command to send the message to Telegram. So we send a curl, and here we have our webhook, and we want to save it in the user settings to be global. So now it should work. You need to restart Claude. If not, it doesn't work when you register a new hook. So here it's done. And I'm just going to say hello to go fast. And you see, we have an alert, task finished, go work, girl. So now we are going to record another hook to play a sound on the computer. So I go again to hooks and to stop, and same thing, we have to escape and back to stop and add new hook. And here, this is the command. So this is the command to play the song, and this is the path in your system on your computer to the sound. So it can be something else for you. And user settings. So now this is recorded. So now let's test it. So we open another, and again, I say hello, and you see he plays a sound on the computer, and also he sends a message on Telegram. So everything works. Now let's record the hook when Claude asks us questions. So here we go to post tool use, and here we have a matcher, and the matcher is the tool that Claude is using. So in our case here, it's ask user question. And here we want a new hook. Again, the same command to play a song, but with a different song this time. And we record it in the user settings. Now I'm going to show you the file where all the hooks are recorded, and we can also record them directly there. So I open the file, which is located in .claude setting.json in anti-gravity. And here we can see our hooks. So the hook that sends a Telegram alert, the hook that plays a sound when you finish an action on the computer, and then the hook which sends a sound when you use a question. So
we can do many other things with the hooks. I let you explore, but now you can work with Claude Code and you can do other things at the same time at the computer. It will alert you when you ask a question or when you finish a task. Or you can go outside, take a coffee on your terrace, and the notification will alert you on Telegram that you have to go back to work. So you can also create directly your hooks inside this file without using the command line from Claude. Is as you like. If you want to learn Code in depth, I recommend that you join the early AI adopter community, as we have there full courses, one-on-one coaches. I'm myself a coach there, so I hope to see you there. And if you need help to set up an automation or a complete system for your business, you can book a free strategy call. The links are in the description. And finally, if you want to help me and you like my videos and want to help me to produce more, please subscribe, drop a comment, tell me what you want to see in the next video. I'm going to do a lot of Claude Code, and see you in the next one. Bye.